Hi, I'm Annie with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie, and I'd like to give you a little more information about our pattern Out to Lunch 2.0. This pattern includes instructions for making compact yet roomy zippered bags in 2 sizes. The body of each bag is made with a front and a back, which are joined by a zipper strip. That combined piece is then attached to a separate base to complete the bag. This produces a strong and sturdy bag with lots of easy-to-access space inside. The Out to Lunch 2.0 pattern recommends 3 fabrics for each project. A main fabric, which is used for the exterior of the bag front and back, the front and back pockets, the base, and the zipper strips. A lining fabric used for the interior of those pieces, and a coordinating fabric used for the bindings, handles, side panels, stabilizer sleeve, and zipper pulls. Of course, if you prefer to mix things up, add more fabrics, or even use just one fabric, you can certainly do that. Just know that you'll need to come up with your own cutting layouts, and you may need different amounts of fabric than what is called for on the supply list. Directional fabrics will work fine for this project, and the pattern includes tips for their use. You will need to put some careful thought into cutting pieces if you are using fabrics with predominant motifs. Because of the way the bag is designed, most of the bag front and back are covered by the front and back pockets. So for this fun set of bags, we used a more solid coordinating print for the bag front, back, base, and zipper strips, and fussy cut the hero fabric for just the front and back pockets. As always, we recommend that you make at least one bag using non-directional designs before making a bag using your more precious fabrics. That way you'll have a better idea of how everything comes together and what you'll need to consider when cutting. You will find a full list of supplies on the back cover of the Out to Lunch 2.0 pattern. If you don't yet have the pattern, you can also find the list on the Out to Lunch 2.0 product page at ByAnnie.com. Just click on the Supply List tab. You can achieve a variety of looks for Out to Lunch 2.0 just by varying the fabrics used. We made this set of bags just as the pattern directs, using just one main and one lining fabric for the body and pockets of each bag, with a coordinating fabric for the handles and bindings. These bright, cheery bags are sure to brighten any lunchroom. We used more masculine fabrics for this set. They're perfect for carrying lunch or personal items to the office, school, and more. We quilted 2 coordinating fabrics together to make this fun set of Out to Lunch 2.0 bags. For the small, we used the colorful dot print as the main fabric and the more subdued blue print as the lining. We reversed that order for the large, using the blue print as the main and the multicolored dots as the lining. It's fun to see how fabric placement can totally change the look of a bag. We used a variety of fabrics left over from another project to make this striking set of bags. We had just enough of the black-gray words to make the front, back, zipper strips, and base of the small bag. To liven things up, we used a colorful graffiti print for the front and back pockets and a more solid coordinating print for the handles and bindings. For the large bag, we used that more solid coordinating print as the main for the body and pockets, with the colorful graffiti print for the lining of the bag, as well as the handles and pocket bindings. Again, the same fabrics can produce a very different finished bag by just varying their placement. The Out to Lunch 2.0 bags would make a great weekend sewing project for intermediate to more advanced makers. The project involves basic skills used in many ByAnnie patterns, though its design also requires some deviation from our usual methods. To help ensure success, we've filmed an add-on video for Out to Lunch 2.0. It will help you conceptualize the project and take you through the more challenging or unique parts of the pattern, including installing the zipper and side panels, joining the front and back to the zipper strips and binding them, and attaching and binding the base. Just take your time, check off each step as you proceed, and enjoy the process. Before you know it, you'll have a great Out to Lunch 2.0 bag to carry lunch or your daily needs. We can't wait to see what you make and how you use these functional bags, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure to enter our monthly photo contest too. Thanks so much for watching. Happy stitching!